The MRCOOL U-shaped air conditioner is the latest technology to come from the MRCOOL lineup. With its revolutionary U-shaped design, this air conditioner gives you the ability to open and close the window it is installed into. By being able to close the window, it helps create a sound barrier to keep unwanted noise outside, making it incredibly quiet. Let me walk you through the unboxing and installation process. For safety purposes, please use 2 people to lift the box and U-shaped window unit. When you open the box, you see the manual, 2 pieces of sidearm foam, the remote, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, 1 short and 1 long extension arm, and the main mounting bracket. You will also find a right and left window bracket and a set of hardware you will need, along with a bag of extras. When you remove the unit from the box, you will find an assortment of foam strips that will be used for sealing the window later. Next, measure the base of the window you are going to install the unit in. Match the center with the arrow on the mounting bracket. Then, adjust the arm to the end of where you measured by pressing in the spring push pin. Once the arm is set, attach the other arm and set it as needed. When you have both arms set, you can take the mounting bracket to the window and adjust the outside braces with the level. Then, lock them in position with the support pins and the cotter pins. When everything is set and level, you can lock it in place by pre-drilling and screwing the arms into the side of the window frame. Use 2 people to lift the unit into the open window, and carefully place it on the mount. Partially close the window into the U-shaped slot to make sure it is properly aligned to the window. With the window still partially closed, install the window brackets to the left and right side of the window unit and adjust as needed. Next, measure the distance from the window frame to the hinge on the MRCOOL unit on both sides. Take the sidearm foam and add 1/4 inch to the measurement, then cut to length. Press the foam in place, making sure the lip of the foam is on the inside. Extend the anti-tip arms over the foam side arms all the way to the window track, and screw them back in to lock them in place. Next, take the window sash seal and measure it to the top of your window. Then cut it to length and firmly press it in to seal your window. Check for any other gaps around the window and mounting bracket and use the foam provided. Now you can plug in your MRCOOL U-shaped air conditioner and enjoy a cool and quiet space.